नमस्कार, मैं सुगन सिंह स्पष्ट दृष्टिकोण टीम की तरफ से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूं। This is your third lecture on wastewater treatment and disposal, and I shall going to cover various wastewater quality parameters and their permissible limit given by CPHEEO. This is very important topic, and every time questions have been asked not only in examination but also in an interview, so I request you to pay your full attention. Let me tell you how to assess the manual given by CPHEEO, where wastewater quality parameters are given along with their permissible limit. Open Google, search for CPHEEO. Website is now open. Click on About Us. It will tell you historical development of this organization. CPHEEO is a Central Public Health and Environmental Engineering organization. It is under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India. This organization is responsible for policy making and giving suggestion and advice in the field of water supply and sanitation, including municipal solid waste. Now scroll up and click on CPHEEO Manual, and then click on Manual on Sewerage and Sewage Treatment System 2013. Here go down and click on Chapter 5. In this, wastewater quality parameters are given. Let me download this file and open it. In this file, scroll down and come to page number 5.3 and look at table 5.3, which tell us about the standard for discharge of environmental pollutants mentioned in Environmental Protection Act 1986 and National River Conservation Directorate guidelines. Wastewater quality parameters are mentioned for inland surface water, public sewers, land for irrigation, and coastal areas. First parameter is the color and odor. CPHEEO manual mentions symbol B for color and odor. Scroll down, you can see the meaning of symbol B. All efforts should be made to remove color and odor as far as practicable. Next parameter is pH. pH of wastewater may vary from 5.5 to 9. Wastewater having pH less than 5.5 and above 9 should not be directly dumped into any water sources or on irrigation land. Next parameter is the temperature. Symbol H is mentioned against temperature. H means wastewater should not have a temperature more than 5 degrees Celsius of receiving water temperature. Next, oil and grease. Permissible limit of oil and grease is 10 mg per liter when wastewater going to dumped into a surface water source. However, this value goes up to 20 mg per liter when disposed of into a sewer. Next parameter is very important, biochemical oxygen demand, that is BOD. Wastewater should not have BOD more than 30 mg per liter when going to discharge into a inland water source. However, this value may go up to 100 mg per liter for irrigation land and coastal area. This value may even go up to 350 mg per liter for public sewers. In respect of the standard specific for the treated sewage discharge into a surface water, the value of BOD shall not be more than 20 mg per liter and suspended solids shall not be exceeding 30 mg per liter. If treated sewage discharges into a water source used as a source of drinking water, then BOD shall not be more than 10 mg per liter and suspended solids shall not exceed 10 mg per liter in it. Next parameter is COD, that is chemical oxygen demand. Wastewater or sewage should not have COD more than 250 mg per liter. Next parameter is arsenic. Arsenic in the wastewater should not be more than 0.2 mg per liter. Next, mercury should always be less than 0.01 mg per liter. Next parameter is lead. The concentration of lead in the wastewater should not be more than 0.1 mg per liter if this wastewater going to discharge into inland water source. However, this value may go up to 1 mg per liter if going to dispose of into a public sewer and 2 mg per liter if going to dispose it into a coastal area. Next parameter is cadmium. The concentration of cadmium in the wastewater should not be more than 1 mg per liter if discharges into a sewer. The concentration of cadmium should be less than 2 mg per liter if wastewater discharge into an inland water source and coastal area. Next, fluoride. Fluoride in the wastewater should not be more than 2 mg per liter for inland surface water source, and this value may go up to 15 mg per liter for public sewer and coastal area. Next parameter is sulphide. The concentration of sulphide in the wastewater may go up to 2 mg per liter for inland surface water source. However, this value may go up to 5 mg per liter for the coastal area. Next, manganese. Manganese in the wastewater should not be more than 2 mg per liter. Next, iron. Iron in the wastewater should not be more than 3 mg per liter for all the categories. Next, nitrate-nitrogen. Nitrate-nitrogen in the wastewater should not be more than 10 mg per liter for the inland water source. However, this value may go up to 20 mg per liter for the coastal areas. Next and the last parameter is fecal coliform. Fecal coliform is represented in terms of number of microbes colony per 100 ml of wastewater. If wastewater is going to discharge into a inland surface water source and irrigation land, then this value may go up to 1000 number of colony per 100 ml of the wastewater. However, for public sewers and the coastal areas, this value may go up to 10,000 number of colony per 100 ml of the wastewater. I request you to go through all the wastewater quality parameters mentioned in this manual so that it will give you more clarity on this topic. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click on bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.